Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the exact account that holds the subscription. This avoids canceling the wrong profile. Once logged into account, Spotify.com, make sure you see your plan details and the renewal date so you know what to expect. If you're on a family, duo, or student plan, check who manages it because only the plan owner can cancel. Now that you have plan type and payment method noted, you're ready to move to the subscription cancellation screen. Once on the plan details page, click Change Plan or Cancel Premium and follow the on-screen prompts. Spotify shows whether you'll lose access immediately or at period end. Make sure to read the cancellation confirmation text because it explains if you'll be downgraded at the next billing cycle or right away. If you used a third party, Apple, Google Play for billing, cancel there instead. Otherwise, confirm and capture a screenshot of the To finish, verify you received a cancellation email and that your account shows free or lists the exact end date. This proves the process worked. If your subscription was billed through Apple or Google Play, make sure you cancel through their subscription settings instead. If you don't see confirmation, log out and back in, clear browser cache, or use another device. If problems persist, contact Spotify support and provide your screenshot and billing details so they can resolve billing or account mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.